Welcome to the Endo Tab, a new feature of Invivo 6.0 that provides highly accurate diagnostic and treatment planning tools to more accurately visualize internal tooth structures, make working length measurements, and assess risk. This scan displays a high-resolution partial of the patient's jaw, which will provide the necessary detail to assess internal tooth anatomy. First, isolate a tooth or region of interest to focus on using the Select Tooth button in your control panel. Left-click to place the bounding box around the volume of interest in the 2D or 3D views. Click and drag the center of the widget into the correct position around the tooth. Use the yellow resize and rotation widgets to adjust the box to fit around the entire tooth and root area, aligning the box with the tooth axes. Once you have selected the desired volume, hit the Apply button or right-click. This crops the area around the tooth in 3D and aligns the 2D views with the axes of the tooth, generating horizontal and lateral slice views. More detailed cuts can also be made using the sculpting tools in the toolbar. These tools work similarly to the volume render sculpting tools and can be used to remove any obstructing anatomy. Click on the freehand sculpting tool, then click and drag to trace a sculpting boundary. Click on the side to be removed. With the Polygon sculpting tool, click to place nodes to create a sculpting boundary. This method allows for greater control during sculpting. Again, click on the side to be removed. Once the volume of interest is refined, we are able to make working length measurements and examine the region more clearly. The Endo Tab offers a unique working length measurement tool to simulate the file length and tooth measurements that are taken manually during endodontic procedures. Click on the Measurement button or the Working Length Measurement tool to get started. Click on the endpoints of the desired working length in any of the 2D views or on the 3D volume. The software automatically connects the points and creates a curved measurement through the pulp chamber. If you wish to adjust the working length, you can use the nodes to tweak it. We can also replace the volume with additional views. The axial view provides 9 axial slices across the long axis with the green line indicators showing the relative slice positions. The lateral view shows 9 lateral slices around the long axis to examine periapical features. Lastly, we have the Endoscopy View to simulate a 3D view through the tooth for viewing internal tooth and root morphology. Let's switch back to the volume view. Currently, the tooth is visualized in teeth rendering, but we can switch between the different 3D rendering types under the view control. Brightness, contrast, and threshold can be adjusted to optimize the view of the internal tooth anatomy and pulp chamber. The resulting image, combined with the 2D views, shows the entire tooth structure in unobscured detail, including the pulp chamber size, direction and curvature of root morphology, tooth and root fractures, inflammatory lesions, and defects. Thank you for watching.